welcome to Your Business Consultant. My name is Danita, and today we're going to discuss the 4 types of business structures available to new entrepreneurs. First of all, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my background. I have over 25 years of experience in business ownership, development, consultation, and also teaching new beginners how to scale their business, acquire government contracts, state and local contracts, or just go out into the community and how to market themselves so they can grow their business. Thank you so much for being here. Now, we're going to start off with talking about the various structures available to new business owners. The most common forms of businesses are sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and S corporation. A limited liability, or LLC, is a business structure allowed by state statute. And I know sometimes determining which business structure is best for you can be very challenging. But the first discussion will focus solely on those structures, and we will start off with sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is a structure that I chose for my first business, and it was very successful. Within my first 6 months, I made $500,000, and I'm going to teach you how you can do that with little, I won't say no money, but maybe just a little bit less than $500. Now, a sole proprietorship is the simplest and most common structure chosen to start a business. It's an unincorporated business owned and run by one individual, which would be you, with no distinction between the business and yourself. You're entitled to all profits, and you're also responsible for all of your business debts, losses, and liabilities. Some people will consider that a higher risk than, let's say, a LLC or a partnership, and we'll get into that on the next video, but today we're just going to focus solely on sole proprietorship. The advantages to a sole proprietorship is, one, you're 100% in control. You make all of the decisions, you create your business plan, and you have more of a focus, so to speak, on how you want things to go, how you want them to flow. Let's say, for instance, with my first business, I wrote the business plan. I did the research. I looked in and compared other businesses that were like mine, learned about them, contacted local small businesses, organizations to get more information, and I chose sole proprietorship. It was a good choice for me at that time, and it was very lucrative. Um, the second business that I opened was a partnership, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But think about it. Would a sole proprietorship be good for you? You think about the pros and the cons, which we'll talk about in the next video as well. If you want more control over your decision making, more control on how you market, more control on, let's say, if you want to get into doing contracts, you make 100% of those decisions. And you keep 100% of the money, of course, outside of your overhead and your taxes. So think about it. What would you consider a sole proprietorship to be in the business that you want to get started? Would it be an advantage or a disadvantage? Take a look at some of the smaller businesses who started out as sole proprietorships and decided to change the structure of their business as they grew. And we'll talk about that as well next time. Thank you so much for joining Your Business Consultant. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.